Would you look at that? Something showed up to my door today.
Just a man's way of getting bikini waxed, that's all.
Have you seen the A-Team, Tyler?
I think so.
It had the crazy dude with the helicopter. He's like, you spin me right round.
You spin me right round, baby.
Ride round when you go down. If you're the type that's like me that likes to watch people make a lot of mistakes because they don't know what the hell they're doing and you just want to follow along, maybe drink a beer, then this video's for you.
That looks straight, right?
Now I gotta make sure that nothing, and there is.
There's nothing there.
There's frame there, so I gotta move this whole thing over some. So where's the frame
Follow
stop?
that top line, slide it over like a couple inches.
Not even a couple inches, just over like that. And that should be good. Okay, so. And then this one we're obviously cutting, so. All right.
There we go.
The point of no return. It's a big motivator. Whew.
Yeah.
Here we go. Dangerous. Dangerous.
That was a frame that's in the way.
It's not a frame. Oh, it is a frame. Okay. All right, so I got a little bit of wiggle room, and I'm okay with that. And I'm about to do the 45s in the corners to get real fancy like. I've never fabricated metal, but I figured it can't be too much different than wood. So that's my theory. Let's try it. Yeah, that clears it. Oh man, you do it like I cut bricks. It's all jagged and shit.
A little more to the, a little more that way. Perfect.
Good to go.
Yep. Okay.
All right.
So let's tack it there, and then when we get in there, we can bend it a little bit.
Gotcha.
So let's get the. Let's take out here. We can do that over there.
Okay.
Fits on it
Perfect.
like a glove.
Except for that. I fucked that up.
It's all good. I can get that.
Yep. Oh shit.
Yep, fits the top.
Yep. It's the bottom that's more snug with all those little screws. Yeah. But I don't think it's hurting anything.
No, it doesn't. That's good.
Oh, would you look at that?
Maybe like an 1/8 off, but like it's not even that much off.
Well, for somebody that eyeballed it with a Sharpie and doesn't know what the fuck he's doing with a bandsaw, I did okay. I mean, it was. Once you said I had a good 1/4 inch of playroom, I was just like, you know what? I'm just gonna do it. All right, good deal. God damn it. It's just a man's way of getting bikini whacked, that's all. I'm guessing because I touched that fucking ground just now, it felt a little hot. After a bunch of welding and sweating and breathing toxic fumes, we have a frame. And worked out pretty decently. So the one thing that did happen wrong is this side's a little bit lower, but like you see this, I put this here as a shim. It holds it pretty good. So no big deal. I can put a little screw or something in the bottom to hold it up, hold it tight. But it's in. I got to get some self-tappers to pull the body to this box. And on to the next phase of this, and that's going to be running the water lines and the gas lines and all that happy stuff.